Chequen esto, me dejó sin aliento.
You understand what I'm saying? Don't you look at me like that!
At first I was afraid, I was petrified. Kept thinking I could never live without you by my side. But then I spent so many nights thinking how you did me wrong, and I grew strong. I learned how to get along. And you see me, somebody new. I'm not that chained up little dog who's still in love with you. And if you feel like dropping in and just expect me to be free, well now I'm saving all my loving for someone who's loving me. I will survive